How to view the map in Terraria. So you cannot navigate a massive world entirely from memory. You strictly need to utilize the game's built-in cartography tools. So by default, press the M key on your keyboard to open the completely interactive full screen map right here. So if you zoom out, so this is the max zoom out settings you could do, and the max zoom in is like this. So it's pretty zoomed in, very deep, as you can see, which can help you track specific elements in the map or in your world. So it can help you tracking out the Plantera bulb right here. So if you're searching for the Plantera bulb, zooming in like this can help you out, and you could also find other stuff right here. So you could pan and zoom around using your mouse wheel, and your mouse button is right there. But if you press the tab key while you're out of the map right here, you will see that it instantly cycles your minimap between different modes right there. So as you can see, I can do this where it just like overlays the map. And if I click on it again, it will just go back to normal right here. If I click on tab again, it will show the minimap. If I click on tab again, it will show the overlay just like that. So you can use this to effectively locate distant biomes. Or if you don't want it, you could just use the minimap just like that. So it could also help you track down your drop tombstones just like here if you go to the map. Or you could also teleport your teammates when you're in multiplayer by using a wormhole potion. And that is how you basically view the map in Terraria.